An object is traveling with a velocity of 6 meters per second in a circular path. Its acceleration is 3 meters per second squared. What is the radius of its path? So once again, remember that the equation for the centripetal acceleration, so A centripetal, is equal to v squared over r. Now, from our given information, we see that we're given the velocity is 6 meters per second, and we're also given that our acceleration is 3 meters per second squared. And now we want to know what the radius is. So we have to change this equation around. So we have to apply algebra to this to get it to only be solving for r. So in order to do that, first we're going to multiply both sides by r. This will give us a centripetal times r is equal to v squared. Now, to get r alone on the left-hand side, we're going to divide both sides by a centripetal, giving us r is equal to v squared over a centripetal. So here we have now just solved for the equation for r, given that we know v and a centripetal. Now we simply just plug in our given values for each of these quantities to calculate the radius of the path. So we know that our velocity is 6 meters per second. It's going to be squared and divided by our centripetal acceleration of 3 meters per second squared. 6 meters per second squared is 36 meters squared per second squared divided by 3 meters per second squared. We divide this, we're going to get r is equal to 12 meters. So we go to our answer choices and we see that this corresponds to answer choice E. The radius of our circular path is 12 meters.